Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell in Binance Waqar Zaka Easy Guide. Open your Binance account now, complete ID verification, and fund your wallet via bank transfer or card to start trading immediately. Next, enable two-factor authentication for security, then locate the Market or Convert tab to place buy or sell orders. Use limit or market orders, set amounts, and confirm the trade while monitoring fees and balances. When you place orders on Binance, pick the right order type for your goal and risk tolerance. For instant trades, use market orders, and for price control, use limit orders with specific amounts. Always double-check the quantity, the quoted price, and the fee estimate shown on screen before submitting. Consider small test trades if you are unsure, and monitor your open orders and balances until the transaction completes successfully. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and show your appreciation. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying effortless and keeps your desk area spotless while you trade. I mention it because a clean workspace helps focus during trades. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Risk management keeps your crypto journey sustainable, so decide how much to risk per trade and stick to that rule. Implement stop loss and take profit orders to automate exits and protect your capital during sudden swings. Diversify across assets and avoid overconcentration, and record each trade for tax and learning purposes. Regularly review your strategy, adjust allocations based on performance, and maintain discipline even when markets feel tempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.